commonly Filipino word is durungawan, in English, window. An opening, especially in the wall of building for admission of light and air that is usually closed by casement or ashes containing transparent material, such as glass, and capable of being opened and shut. Example, nakita ko sa aming durungawan ang isang napakagandang babae.
The second uncommonly used Filipino word is pulot gata. In English, honeymoon. Definition: a trip or vacation taken by a newly married couple. A period of harmony immediately following marriage. Example, pagtapos nilang ikasal, ay lumipad sila papuntang Paris para sa kanilang pulot gata.
Dupil, in English, amulet. It is an amulet or anything that is believed to have the power to save the person who owns it from any harm. The more popular Tagalog words currently being used are anting-anting and agimat.